Free. Hanggang nasa gilid na nung nung coverage area ng storm. So pagpasok nitong center ng storm, pag eye of the storm, papasok na sa Northern Luzon, baka maging masyadong mabigat, kaya kailangan paghandaan na mabuti. And alright, I think we've covered as many things as we possibly can without seeing the final effects of the storm. Okay, let's go. Let's prepare. Everybody knows what they need to do. It's really, we all want to bring power back as quickly as possible. Pero bawat metro ng linya, kailangan inspeksyonin na walang putol, walang nag-short, walang, kundi pag inon yan, puputok lang lahat yan. Magkasunog pa, may masaktan pa.
Mr. President,
Happened in the Cagayan Valley, were just released without telling anyone.